vlog about Lunar New Year as much as I did last year, because last year it was on my birthday, and so that whole entire month I vlogged anyway because of my birth month. But yeah, it's Lunar New Year today. I want to wish everyone a happy Lunar New Year. I hope you guys had a nice one. By the time this vlog comes out, it'll be over already anyways. But yeah, I got a lot of red envelopes. This one is from one of the God of Fortune ceremonies I went to. Or one of the ceremonies I went to at my mom's, I guess, temple place, whatever. But yeah, there's really not much for me to talk about Lunar New Year. I ended with a good amount of money, and I hope this will be a good 2017.